Hey friends, if you wish to fix 0x80070570 error, the file directory is corrupted while copying to USB, then please watch this video. Now, this issue is with the disk, so the main solution is a check disk scan, but we will go procedurally. So first of all, restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shut down or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is a check disk scan, so search for command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is a malware scan, so search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then click on OK. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on Next, choose full scans, Next, and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.